Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Remitly account on your PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to remitly.com. In the top right corner, click Sign Up. Enter your email address, create a password, then re-enter it to confirm. Now click on the Sign Up button. After you sign up and log into Remitly, you'll see a page that asks, where do you want to send money? Select the country you're sending from, then choose the destination country. Click Next to continues. That's it. Your account is now created. No need to enter a phone number or verify anything right now. You can add your phone number later when you're ready to send money. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides. Thanks for watching.